Okay guys, welcome to this video. I'm the home barista. I'm going to teach you how to make something similar to a pumpkin spice latte or a gingerbread latte, except from it's not going to cost you £5 million. So here we go. So I'm putting some coffee into my portafilter here. If you haven't got an espresso machine, you could literally just use a teaspoon of instant coffee and a little bit of hot water to make something similar to an espresso. Right, so now I'm just going to tamp the coffee. Going to make sure it's distributed evenly. Pop a little bit extra in there, why not? So now I'm going to tamp it. You want to push nice and firm if you have an espresso machine like this. You might have a tamp that you can remove. Mine is attached to the machine, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Just got my little espresso cup there. You should check these out, by the way, guys. You should check these espresso cups out. You can find them on Etsy. I'll post a link in the description for that. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the espresso. This is the most satisfying part of my morning. Every morning. Look at that. Oh yes. So when the espresso is finished pulling, then we're going to carry on into the next part. So I'm happy with that. I got a bit of crema out of that, and I've got enough volume for this drink. I've just switched the espresso machine over to the milk froth setting so that can heat up. I'm using oat milk today because that's just what I like and that's my business. So right, and now I'm going to put some cinnamon, like a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, into a cup. Just a little bit, just like that. And then also a quarter of a teaspoon of light brown sugar. Or, I mean, any sugar is fine. So any sugar you like. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour my espresso straight into the cinnamon sugar mixture. And then I'm just going to mix it around. So satisfying. Okay, now I'm steaming the milk. So I've just turned the steam wand on here. Now the steam wand on this machine is quite slow, so you've got to get a bit of air into it first, so bring it down and you'll hear a noise that sounds a bit like paper tearing. Then put it right into the milk, and so it can all circulate around, and then turn it off and you're good to go. Then just make sure you bang the milk on the surface, and also just swirl it around a little bit. This just helps incorporate the air into the milk, and you'll have a much better texture when you're finished. Right, so now I'm going to pour it. I'm not going for any fancy latte art here, guys. No latte art for me. I do that Monday to Friday every week. So in we go. Ooh, there she goes. Right, so there it is. That is my pumpkin spice, gingerbread, whatever you want to call it, cinnamon spicy sweet latte. Enjoy.